Integration of irrational functions. Type 1. Evaluate integral root of 1 plus 2x minus 3x square into dx. Okay, this is integration of irrational function of type 1. To solve this type of problem, first we have to convert this quadratic equation into perfect square. Okay, so now to apply perfect square, I am going to take the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is 1 plus 2x minus 3x square. To apply quadratic equation, x square term must be 1. So that I am going to take minus 3 outside. Take minus 3 outside. So you will be getting x square. Here taking minus 3 outside, so minus 2 by 3x. And this 1 will be converted into minus 1 by 3. So taking the minus 3 outside. After this I am going to apply perfect square formula, x square minus ax. So the perfect square formula is x square minus ax is x minus a by 2 the whole square minus a square by 4. A square by 4, the square, inner square term power square is outside. Inner term is a by 2, so square of the value is a square by 4. So this is the formula I am going to use. So here a is minus 2 by, a is 2 by 3. So by applying the perfect square formula, x minus a by 2, dividing this term by 2, 2 to cancel, 1 by 3 the whole square. So x minus a by 2 the whole square minus a square by 4. A square by 4 means square of this entire term. The square of entire term is 1 by 9. And remaining term 1 by 3. Okay, now I am going to simplify. So minus 3 into x minus 1 by 3 the whole square. Simplify this, take LCM 9. So that 3 minus 1 minus 4 by 9. After this I am going to take minus only inside. When you take minus inside, this minus, this is plus. Positive term write first. So that 3 into 4 by 9. When you take minus inside, this become positive. Positive write first. And minus x minus 1 by 3 the whole square. Okay, now this is conversion of perfect square. Now I am going to substitute in the given integral. Okay, what is the given integral? This is integral root of 1 plus 2x minus 3x square into dx is equal to integral root of, the entire term is equivalent to this, so that 3 into 4 by 9 minus x minus 1 by 3 the whole square into dx. Okay, this root 3 can take outside. So root 3 into integration of root of 2 by 3 the whole square minus x minus 1 by 3 the whole square into dx. Okay, now I am going to use the formula integration root of a square minus x square. So this is the first formula, integration root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. So this formula I am going to use here. So here I am going to use the formula. Okay, so this is the integral. I am applying the formula. The formula, already I told you, the formula is root of a square minus x square. X by 2, what is x here? X minus 1 by 3. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square, a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus integral constant. Now I am going to simplify. So in the simplification, root 3 into, take this 3 here, so 3x minus 1 by 3, 3 into 2, 6 into root of, this is the term whose equivalent value. What is the equivalent value? This is the value, this 3 can take here. What is this? 1 plus 2x minus 3x. When you take 3 this side, 1 by 3 into 1 plus 2x minus 3x square. This is I am going to substitute here. For this equivalent value, 1 by 3 into 1 plus 2x minus 3x square plus here 2 cancel, so 2 by 9 sine inverse of cross multiply 3x minus 1 by 3, 3 cancel, by 2 plus integral constant c. Okay, now this 1 by 3 can take outside, so 1 by root 3 will come, and then at the same time I am going to multiply root 3 inside, or otherwise you keep here root 3 outside. So root 3 into, so take term 3 outside, so 3x minus 1 by 6 root 3 into root of 1 plus 2x minus 3x square plus 2 by 9 into sine inverse of 3x minus 1 by 2 plus integral constant. So this is the answer of the problem.